If you're looking for the top 5 gym mistakes when it comes to cardio, then you come to the right place. My name is Tyrell. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's get to it. In this video, you're gonna learn 5 mistakes that are gonna help change your workout so much better, gonna get you to work more efficient, more effectively, and make sure that you actually get the most out of each and every workout, especially when it comes to cardio. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first mistake that people make when doing cardio is taking breaks. Cardio isn't like any other workout where you should take breaks. Like when it comes to muscle building or powerlifting, where taking breaks are necessary, and it makes a lot of sense. Taking breaks midway through workouts while doing cardio, like let's say if you're going for a jog or you're on a treadmill, honestly shouldn't be a thing. Unless you have asthma and you're going through some sort of health condition, then generally, yeah, I understand, but you shouldn't actually stop until the workout is done, purely because the main thing for cardio is to improve endurance and to improve heart rate, heart circulation, and to get your body to develop and adapt to endurance and long-winded workouts. So taking a break kind of defeats that purpose. I only think and believe you should take a break only when it's absolutely necessary, where you have no other choice and it will affect your impact of in the future, say asthma or heart attack, or if you have generally a doctor or heart issue at hand. That's the first major one, and I believe that some people would actually disagree with me on that, but I don't give a damn. Me personally, I believe that this is actually something that's top priority, and it's also something that strengthens the mind as well. I'm a strong believer on building up that mindset in terms of working out in the gym. I don't think every time you go to the gym that you just work out purely on your body. I also believe you're training your mind and you're conditioning your mind to push through circumstances. Like if you genuinely, and I'm going a bit off a tangent here, but if you genuinely deep what you're actually doing, you're paying to go to somewhere where your body is going to suffer a bit more. Now, people don't go there to suffer a bit more. People go there to suffer because of the outcome that suffering does bring. If you're gonna go there, if you're gonna suffer, you might as well suffer and get the best outcome while going to the gym now, instead of actually being half-hearted and then not getting the results that you want. What's worth doing is worth doing well, long story short, and that's what I'm gonna say. The second mistake that people do for cardio is sticking with jogging as cardio, and there's no other forms of cardio workouts. If you haven't seen my cardio workout video already, go check it here. The link will be in the link will be in the description below. Jogging isn't the only cardio. If you enjoy jogging, that's great. I believe that you should switch up your workouts anyway. Jogging isn't the be-all end-all. I believe that there's other cardio workouts that are much more preferred that you might like, and you're less likely to get bored as well, because I believe boredom is something that will also come into place where you're doing the same thing every time and then you won't be as motivated. Know that your body's also adapting to just running, so you're not going to get the most out of each workout. If you're doing a different sort of cardio, like just climbing up a hill, that's also a potential other alternatives than just jogging. I believe different variations of different cardio workouts will get you the best outcome, because it shocks the muscle, keeps you entertained, it keeps you more motivated. Yeah, it's a new challenge as well, something more entertaining. Just challenge yourself. That's literally the whole point of the gym anyway. The first step that people make majorly when working out is eating too much. Now, more time when people do cardio to lose weight or to condition themselves for long endurance stuff. But more time, it is to help lose weight anyway. When you're eating, you need to make sure that you're actually eating the right amount of calories, a healthy amount, not too little that you're starving, not too much that you're bloating and you're not actually making any progress. You need to be on a calorie deficit if you're trying to lose weight. A calorie deficit is when you're working out more. The calories lost more when you're working out is greater than the calories gained when eating. That means that you're always going to be losing more calories whenever you're working out than when you're eating. Therefore, you will lose weight. That's just in essence the simplest way to lose weight anyway. The opposite effect, calorie surplus, is to gain weight, bulking, which is where your calorie intake is much greater than your workout, but also your workout is not really oriented towards losing weight anyway. It's oriented towards muscle growth or bulking, muscle growth. That's just the direct opposite. Eating too much is definitely something that people tend to have. If you need help on eating disorders, there's going to be a YouTube video for how you manage eating disorders as well, and how I manage my eating disorder, because I tend to, when I was bulking before, I ended up eating a lot of chicken on the side note, which wasn't the healthiest of diets, and I became addicted to eating chicken. It's a very, very stereotypical black thing to do. It was my journey, my mistakes. Obviously, I would share my journey and share my experience, and what I've also researched about how to challenge eating the wrong stuff or being addicted to eating certain types of food. Any sort of eating disorder, I believe it can be of help to people that are struggling as well. Also, people try and avoid cheat days if necessary. If you know you're gonna cheat during the week, then it defeats the purpose of cheat days. Have days designated for cheat days, and don't respect the cheat days. Like, you can overload on the cheat days. That's literally the whole point of a cheat day. But the days that you're meant to be having a low calorie intake or a high calorie intake when working out or this or that, discipline yourself. Make sure that you actually stick to it, because if you don't stick to it, then the only person you're deceiving is yourself. You're not going to be deceiving anyone else around you about the gains. You have no right to complain. Be honest with yourself. Don't cheat the gains will cheat you. The fourth mistake that people make is people going to the gym, especially for cardio, and not actually planning out your workouts for the week, for the month, and just for the whole season for 6 weeks. I believe you should have a 6 to 8 week plan. If not, stick up for the Just Bolo program for losing weight, cardio. Just going to the gym on a day-to-day basis with no plan intended, but just doing the same workouts, isn't really going to make that big of a difference. I truly believe in planning. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Definitely planning motivates you more. You can actually track your results, because that's how you can actually see that you're making progress. Because you can see that you can make longer journeys, or you can run an extra 10 minutes on the treadmill, or you can lift this weight much heavier, or do a repeated set of reps. Before you can only do 20 reps, now you can do 30. I believe stuff like that will definitely be much more influential. I'll definitely be much more motivating, for sure. I believe having a plan or having some sort of schedule makes it clear for you to see, like, okay, I have to do this, I have to do that. I don't even have my laptops here all the time. These laptops, okay, screens are off now, but they're telling me what to do. You know what I mean? I plan out this video, oh, look at this, I need to do this. It's just genuine planning, motivates me, keeps me activated, and it gets me to give you guys the best service as well, to make sure that I'm saying the right things and I'm not chatting my ass off. Sticking to the same workouts every time, every day. I brushed upon it on the third point previously, but I'm just gonna go a bit more in depth now, because I believe this one should have a singular point, and it's the most important one as well. What people tend to do is people tend to stick to the same workout for maybe 3-4 months, still want to expect the same results. You're not gonna get the same results doing the same workouts. Once your body would have adapted to working out the same amount over the course of the several months. I believe you should change your workouts every 2 to 3 months. I believe you should increase the weight on a weekly basis, or increase the amount of reps and sets on a weekly basis. But I definitely think you should definitely have some sort of rotation around, just to shock the muscle, get your muscles used to different workouts. But you don't want your muscles to get too comfortable. And only that, it just gets boring doing the same workouts as well. I don't believe it's something fun to do if you're gonna be like, it's not fun, but I don't think you'll be as motivated to do different workouts. I always believe in challenging yourself and pushing yourself just to see how you are. You only live once, and I believe you might as well find out what your body is capable of doing at its finest and pushing yourself to the greater limits. That's literally what we're about here at Just Bolo. Definitely say new challenges, new workouts. I would definitely say maybe 1 new workout every 2 weeks as well. Just slowly diversifying it if I was to change it. Yeah, changing workouts makes it more fun, much more motivating. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and share. Let me know which one of the workouts that you would like to do in terms of cardio. If you've watched a video already about my cardio workouts. More time, let me know what you guys liked about this video. Which point do you think was most relevant to you? I'm gonna end this video now. Just shut this down. Shut this down as well. I don't really know how to end the video, but I'm gone. Deuces. Oh yeah. Slotty.